How to fix your carrier may charge for SMS messages due to activate iCloud problem. So if you want to fix your carrier may charge for SMS messages due to activate iCloud problem, then to fix that, you may get a pop-up notification again and again from iCloud, which may say that your carrier may charge for SMS messages due to an activation error. When you switch between the cellular and data network, or when you try to restart your iPhone, this kind of error occurs. Or when you use unsupported networks, you may find this kind of error. So that's why it doesn't support your activation or the iMessage or your FaceTime. So if you want to avoid this option, then what you need to do is first, you need to open up your settings application and then tap on your Apple ID and simply look whether your iMessage has been activated there or not. To do that, you need to go back and then scroll down a bit, and then you'll find an option of Face ID and passcode. Tap on it, enter your passcode, scroll down a bit, and you'll have an option of iMessage or your Face ID. Or if you don't find the option of iMessage right here, you can also search for it. Tap on iMessage and then make sure that the option is turned on. You need to connect your Apple ID, which means if it is activated, your problem might be fixed. Once done, if you're still not able to fix your problem, then you need to go back, and then on your settings, you need to tap on General, scroll down a bit, and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone and tap on Reset. Now go with Reset Network Settings, and after resetting your network settings, just simply go and restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.